Congratulations, guys! We're coming. Congrats, Coach! Anong masasabi mo, Coach?
Sino ba sila para hindi ka hampas lupa na yun? Hampas lupa. We're going to US.
We just
Going to the United States of America.
Today is May 25, 2026. And andito po kami ngayon sa Perfect Image sa Jensen. We are taking this video today para at least madala namin ito, guys. If ever man matutuloy, we can share our journey to all of you guys. Hoping and praying na sana po matuloy, guys. Actually, ganyan na, guys, is sa car pa lang is hilom kayo ng tanan. Papunta kami na Perfect Image, tapos hindi na alam, pareha kami na ginaisip yun. Matuloy ba ni? Tama ba ni?
Thank you po sa pag-picture sa amin. Sali ka po sa journey namin. Diyan na po si Pat na Kuya Meg. Americana. Pero parang ni Kuya Meg ang madalin sa Arizona. Kami nang medyo afam. Ubo. Ang kulit sa kita.
Kaway kayo.
Asa ano ko, asa kay father ko pa rin karay.
Yan o. Thank you so much, Arnie.
Thank you po.
Kakasubmit lang namin ng documents sa RHJ Travel Lounge Incorporated. Kakasubmit lang namin travel form, tsaka na aming passport, ID para sa visa application, and we're hoping for the best para sa team.
Yan naman.
Ano yung bat?
Hello mga bading! Good morning! Good morning! Ay!
Yan, pasok ka loob.
Peace building efforts, disaster preparedness and emergency response readiness, and public safety measures during major provincial.
That by August this year. And we have with us the representative of the group na NDDU Generals. So may we invite them to speak and give us a short message.
In behalf of my team, I would like to express our deepest thanks and gratitude to the province of Sultan Kudarat for inviting us and for letting us perform in your province. And most importantly, thank you, Gov, for expressing your support to the team. NDDU Generals is a team consists of the different dancers coming from Region 12, although we come from the same institution, but the dancers are actually scouted from the different parts of Region 12. Well, in fact, some of the dancers are from Sultan Kudarat, particularly in Isulan and in Palimbang. And as mentioned also earlier, this place is already close to our hearts as a team because we have been consistently performing in your province. Like we have performed in Kalimutan Festival, Miss Isulan, Miss Tacorong, as well as the time when Sultan Kudarat hosted the Miss Universe National Costume Competition. So malaking karangalan and a privilege po for all of us to be able to come back here and of course to meet you, of course, Go. Thank you so much for your support. I am proud, happy, and delighted to share to everyone that NDDU Generals bagged the gold medal in the recently concluded Hip Hop International competition held in San Juan City, Manila last May 8 to 10. Napakasaya po ng puso namin kasi out of 56 contingents nationwide, NDDU Generals bagged the gold medal. And it's because of the support of everyone. And I am happy, I am thrilled, of course, to share to everyone that NDDU Generals will be representing not only Region 12, but the entire Philippines on the world stage. So the team will be bringing the name of Region 12 and the Philippines in Arizona, USA on July 25 to August 1. So we are hoping for the support of everyone, and I hope that we will continue to nurture Filipino talents, most specifically the talent of Region 12. Mabuhay po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. Ilan kayo na lilipad sa US?
13 po, Gov.
Would you introduce to the group kung sino-sino ang ating mga kasamahan na pupunta sa US?
Okay, together with me today, we have Mr. Mark de la Cruz, Coach Mark, of course, our coach. We have Mr. JB Malinsala, and our dancers coming from NDDU Generals. Ayan po, Gov. 9 po sila lahat.
Good luck and rest assured the province will support you all the way.
Thank you, Gov.
Thank you. I'm excited for you. Congratulations on your recent victory.
Thank you,
and good faith in your upcoming battles. Make sure that the people in the United States maramdaman nila ang tapang at ang galing ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino.
Hello, we're currently at Arizona Street, Apopo. Barangay Apopo.
What can you say? Anong masasabi mo?
Yung speech niya, pang speechless.
Thank you, Mike.
To running in Arizona, man. Yo.
Guys. Yes, so we're done in Isulan. Thank you, Isulan. Thank you, Isulan. Thank you, Sultan Kudarat. Aya.
Nilang pastel reo, ay lang.
Yan po. Today is June 2.
Yes.
Tayo ay papunta ng... Saan tayo papunta?
Papuntang Arizona. Kidapawan.
HHI Kidapawan.
Yes, HHK. Ano naman ang HHI?
Guys, isa po kami ng Kidapawan para po mag-process sa passport ni
Hi
Brian Lawrence Kagalitan. Ano yan? Ano order mo?
Choco moist.
Choco moist. Okay. Ay, yan. Ikaw kasi, ba't nandito ka? Dapat nasa workshop kayo.
Pinagalitan to.
Ay, sorry. Pinagalitan ka tuloy.
Itadakimasu.
Thanks for being so thoughtful today.
Thank you for being kind. Thank you for being our partner.
Our party. Thank you for journeying with us for HH. Sarap.
Bigas na po daw sila.
Sarap.
Bigas na
Sarap.
Tapos pasok. Uy, perfect.
Ano? Sarap.
Lagyan mo sa gitna or is that it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yun, no? There you have it. Ito na lahat. Napotocopy mo na lahat.
Balikan ako. Di ba na yan? Nantodo, if dagan na kayo na. Ariman to.
Na nagpahabol sa death certificate sa iyang father. Hi guys, kaya na to. Kaya pa.
Kayanin natin. Make it out of 5, ako lang ang nakapasa.
Uy, ngayon, sir.
Ako bukas.
Ikaw? Isa na lang ka.
Tomorrow.
Isa na lang.
Ay, ugma na lang gid ka, Brian.
Ikaw,
Kay
sa
mali ako
mga
nabutan ako na
shows.
detail. Kaya nabutan ako na detail ba kay father of
Ay, kami sa law office guys. Kaya na-process mo yung oath of affidavit para sa akong minor na kasabay. Pero ang pangutana lang, matuloy kaya misa. Matuloy kaya mi. Pambut lang. Mawala ka ron. So po, nasa anong stage na tayo ngayon?
briefing na po.
Briefing ng mga brief. Ay, ito ba? Ay, briefing ng...
Ngayon na nga briefing.
Nasa anong stage na tayo ngayon?
Talking stage.
Ay.
Magtatalk kasi tayo.
Okay. Happy birthday, Charles. Birthday ko ngayon ng Solo. Today is July 4. Solo stay. So guys, nasa ano kami ngayon guys? Nasa RH stay para sa aming briefing and orientation for nasa interview on Monday. Ayan po guys, nagpe-prepare po kami na ito po yung script namin.
Thank you po RHJ.
Thank you RHJ. So good luck po sa amin. Alis na po kami sa Monday. Let's go! Ito naman tayo sa Manila. Edad yan ha?
Sa mo papa. Siya yun mismo nag-drive or nasa yun?
Dick.
Ayos eh. Ano ba yung 996 no?
Hi guys! We just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Tapos, isa sa mga funny na experience. Kaya nakasuka. Yun o. Yun o. Nakasuka oh. Nakasuka si Ziggy oh.
Hello guys! So we just arrived here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. And then, I don't know where we're going next. Maybe we're gonna eat. And yeah.
Where do you wanna eat?
It depends though.
Naulo ko sa katapad, promise.
Hi ka po. Hi guys. Hey guys, so we're here at Red Planet. Doon kami mag-check-in tonight tsaka bukas po para sa aming visa application. Yan. So guys, ito na yung sign. 1, 2, 3, and visa approved! Hopefully. Thank you, pa.
You're here at the planet.
Can you see this?
I look so good in there. It's just I have mustache.
So hello guys, ito ho yung room namin. Say hi to my roommate. Hi roommate.
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, babe. Good morning.
Good morning. Candy, sir. Ako.
Thank you so much.
Isa ko, Ezek.
Feeling ko madala natin yung ate. Yung exactly.
Nasa Cartimar po kami ngayon para maghanap ng shoes para sa dance compet. Ayan na. Nagaan siya.
Super nice.
Let's get it on. This application starts today. Pogi naman yan. Parang si Daniel Padilla. God bless us all, guys. Let's do this. First day today, biometrics. Let's go. Tapos na kami sa aming biometrics for visa application.
Look at our outfits, guys.
Today, naka-formal outfit po kami lahat. Look at us. Look at Pat. So ngayon, naghahanap po na kami ng
Oh my God.
kainan para sa lunch namin. Kasi bukas ang aming schedule for the interview.
Now.
Yes.
Ano mo siya no?
Good luck sa ito, guys. God bless. Congratulations, guys! Congrats, Coach! Anong masasabi mo, Coach?
Sino ba sila para
Anong sagot mo kanina?
Yes.
I
do.
I do.
Hello guys.
Let's go.
Hello guys. So we're about to go back to our hotel now, and then
Going to US.
we just
Going to the United States
received
of
a
America.
we received a very good news today,
Yes.
and that is that our visa is approved.
Yes.
We're just gonna prepare our things in the hotel, and after this, we're going to airport and we'll back to Jansan.
We're here at the airport. We're on our way back to Jensan. Tapos na po ang aming visa application and we're going home with happy hearts.
And empty
When was
pockets.
your
And empty pockets.
Do I care?
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Who's
Lord.
the sponsor of this?
Approved na po ang aming visa. So, rak-rak na.
Sabi naman ng mga skills.
Bunga po ng train. The biceps.
Uy, gusto ko kung
This is the biceps, but the face is bayo. So guys,
Going home to practice our routine because we just passed the US visa application. Let's go.
Going home with happy hearts but empty pockets.
Well, ayun, nagsuka ha. Nagsuka ba siya pagpapadulog diri?
Thank you so much for the support and all the friends out there. So we will see you there in Arizona. There at the USA, Arizona.